Hey everyone, we are finally here in beautiful Aqaba, Jordan. Check out these views of the desert and the Red Sea behind me. It's incredible. Let's go.
Welcome to the breathtaking desert of Wadi. I'm here to introduce you to the legendary lost city of Petra. It is an absolute must-see. Let's go!
Welcome to the incredible treasury in Petra, Jordan. It's breathtaking. Let's go. Welcome to the incredible Dead Sea, one of the most unique and ancient places on Earth. Let me show you around.